Hi there, Tony the Bonus here with Starline Windows. A question that never gets asked, however I wish it would be a question that sounded like this. Why should I remove my insect screens for the winter months? Now, for obvious reasons, why have your poor insect screen exposed to the harsh winter environments when it doesn't have to be? It's serving no purpose in the winter time, as there's no bugs, mosquitoes, or insects of any kind because they're all frozen stiff or they're hibernating. So why expose that poor screen to the harsh winter environment? Now, obviously, if you imagine this, you get snow and ice trapped in between your sensitive screen cloth material and your window glass. Now that could just build up, and it could actually pop the screen mesh, it could tear a hole, and even worst case scenario, we've seen it many times, it can actually bow your screen bar. With all the pressure, it'll actually bow your screen bar inward. Now, so that's why we always suggest removing your insect screens for the winter months. Now, if you think about it, it just takes a few minutes to go around your home, remove your insect screens. Now, once you do that, we always recommend take the opportunity to actually give your insect screens a good warm bath. Now, you can hose them off with your hose, but I actually suggest throwing them in the shower, using your shower wand, and give them a nice hot shower. Once they're all dry, store them in a nice, warm, safe place that are out of the way, away from the kids, away from the dogs, the cats, and so they don't get ruined. And then springtime, you just grab your insect screens and you go install them again. That way you keep them nice and safe and you're not going to get any damages. Now, while you have the insect screens out, also take the opportunity to grab some mild dish soap and water and clean the inside of your windows frames where the screen was sitting, because there's always going to be some dust buildup, some residue there. So take the opportunity, wipe down your window frame, and just get your windows ready for winter time. So I really hope this little video helped and it gave you a better understanding of why it's important to remove your insect screens for the winter time. Now, for any more frequently asked questions, how-to videos, go follow us on our YouTube channel or check us out on our website at www.starlinewindows.com. We look forward to hearing from you and have a great day.